Hey everyone, wanted to put together this quick little video for you to go over a really valuable tool that's available to Goodman, Amana, and Daikin dealers. It's called PartnerLink, and it's something that is available on the Goodman website. We'll go into a little detail on that and show you the interface and some of the information that's available when you're on PartnerLink. This is a really great resource, free of charge for all you Goodman, Amana, and Daikin dealers. We can do system matchups on there, so we can get AHRI numbers, everything from spec sheets to submittals, all sorts of information, wealth of information really, marketing material. There's a dealer toolkit where you can get marketing ideas. There's some postcards, door hangers, information on billboards, marketing material. A whole wealth of information is on PartnerLink, and it really is a great tool for you to be able to use when you're in need of any information that has to do with Goodman, Amana, or Daikin. So what we'll do is we'll go over the app. We'll pull that up and kind of go through some of the interface there, show you how easy it is to use, and then we'll look at some of the information you could pull off that site. One thing that's really nice about this is that it's a great resource for not only owners, but salespeople, installation managers, service managers. We can pull all those manuals off of PartnerLink as well. And then we'll talk briefly about the Dealer First app, which is an application that you can download to your iPads or your phones. And again, instead of having to be at a laptop or a computer, you can just pull up the app and get warranty information. We could look up warranties. So for instance, if a tech is on site and he wants to know if a unit is under warranty, he can pull up the Dealer First app and then put in the model and serial number and see the warranty information as well. So it's really a good tool, not only for the owners and the salespeople, but also your technicians and installers as well. So we'll get right into that now and we'll take a look. So when we want to get to PartnerLink, the first thing that we're going to do is go to goodmanmfg.com. That's Goodman's website. And when we get there, we're going to just scroll down. And you'll see on the bottom left there, you'll see the link for PartnerLink. So what we're going to do is just click on PartnerLink. And something to note here, whether you want information on Goodman, Amana, or Daikin, what you're going to do is use that corresponding brand with your user ID. So in this case, we'll use Goodman. So your user ID will be Goodman. Okay. And then the password, which is really difficult, is dealer. So very easy and simple. So Goodman and then dealer. If you were looking for Amana, you would use Amana as the username and then dealer as the password. So we'll go ahead and we'll log in. And this brings you to the PartnerLink website. So again, there's a wealth of information here for anything that you want to use. You can see at the top there, Info Finder, marketing tools, service tools, system performance tools, and then warranty and support. So what you can do in this video, I'm going to go over residential matchups, which is something that we all use on a daily basis when we're matching up systems. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down and you'll see system performance tools. So we'll hit that. And then we're here, you can see right in the middle there, you see the AHRI residential matchup. That's what we're going to go into today. So we'll hit that. Here, you'll have to check this box to agree to the terms and then hit I agree. And then this is where you get brought to the system matchup page. So let's go over an example. As you can see, you're looking at the outdoor unit type, air conditioner, we can change this to a heat pump or a package unit. We'll leave it at air conditioner for now. The region, we are in the north, so we don't have to touch that. And then as far as the tiers, we're just going to leave that at no preference. That's not that important here. For your outdoor unit, we'll keep it as Goodman. And what we're going to do is we'll select the tonnage. So let's just say, for instance, it was 3 ton. We'll select 3 ton. And then here's the important part, the SEER rating. So what we want to do is in Connecticut, we have rebates available to homeowners on air conditioning systems that they qualify for $200 if they meet a certain rating, which is 16 SEER, and then the EER is 12.5. So what I typically do is I'll go in here and I'll hit minimum 16 SEER. And then for the EER, I'll just hit minimum of 13 because most of the systems do hit 13. As far as a TXV goes, I leave it at no preference. You could put yes or no. It's not that big of a deal. And then when we scroll up again, you'll see to the right, the indoor unit. So we'll keep the indoor unit as Goodman, and then the type. So whether it's going to be a coil, a furnace, or an air handler. In this scenario, we'll select air handler, and we'll scroll to the bottom and we'll hit search. So as you can see, it brings up 52 systems that are 16 SEER. There's 6 systems that are 17 SEER, and then there's 9 systems that are 18 SEER. So in this case, we'll just hit 16. We'll hit the little plus sign to the right, as you can see right there. So we hit that, and now all of the different matchups will show up. So you can see your outdoor model is a GSX 16036, and then your coil or your indoor unit would be an ASPT 47D. Now, say for instance, you sold your customer a variable speed. You'd look at the bottom, the second one there, the GSX 16036, and then you'd have an AV PTC 37. So that V in that model number stands for variable speed. So what we can do is, and you'll notice too, actually to the left, you'll see the AHRI number. So it's an easy way to pull the certificate instead of dealing with that AHRI website. We know that is a pain in the butt. So this is a really good way to get your AHRI number as well. Also to the left, you can see the submittal, the warranty, and then we have the ability to zip all the files too if we want to send them to your computer or send them to a homeowner or wherever it may be. So let's just take a look if we want to pull up the submittal on this system. Click on submittal. And then there's your submittal data sheet. So this is a great way. You'll see here, it has the AHRI number, your model of the outdoor and indoor, and then it gives you the 16 SEER and then 13 EER. And then as you go through, you'll see some of the cabinet features and standard features on this unit. And then we can scroll down and we'll get system performance data as well. So you'll see the rated cooling capacity there is 35,000. The TXV, it shows you that it is factory installed, which is a nice feature. Go into information of the outdoor unit. So you'll see the MOP, you'll see the minimum circuit amps that you'll need. You'll see the RLA, the rated, running load amps on that as well. Gives you the dimensions of the unit, what type of compressor it is, your liquid and suction sizes. So if you need line set information, it'll tell you that. So really good information on these submittal data sheets. And then there, of course, is the dimensions of the unit that a lot of times it's important, especially if you're dealing with tight spaces outside in condos and things of that nature. So a really nice, easy way to pull up a submittal to get yourself an AHRI number, which is always needed. We'll go back in here. We'll do another example here just to give you a good example. So let's try a heat pump this time. Let's just say, for instance, it was an Amana. So we can select Amana. We'll select 3 ton. And let's just say, for instance, we were looking for a higher SEER. We needed an 18 SEER unit with a HSPF of 9. We'll do that. The indoor unit, Goodman Amana. We'll select Amana. And then we'll keep it as an air handler. And we'll go ahead and search. And now you can see we've got 10 systems that are 18 SEER or higher, 3 systems that are 19, 20 SEER units, we have 9, and then we have 2 systems that are actually 21 SEER. Those are our inverters. So if you want to take a look, we'll take a look at the 18 SEER. We'll hit the plus sign. And then we get to scroll and see all the information that's available. Again, so here's a good example on the bottom here. You're looking at an ASZC18 with an AVPTC air handler. That's going to get you 18 SEER and 13.5 EER. And again, you're able to get that AHRI number that makes that easy to search for that certificate. You can go over here on the left as well, and you'll see submittal warranty and zip all files. Let's hit warranty. So if you need information on the warranty, you'll know with Amana, obviously we get a lifetime unit replacement on Amana equipment that's 16 SEER and up. So that's what this particular unit would come in. But if you need to share this with the homeowner, or if you need someone else in your office to have this information readily available, a really great way to find this information very easily. Let's take a look at, so that's your residential matchups and things of that nature. There's also a link here on the left for Comfort Bridge. This is the new proprietary technology that's available on variable speed indoor units for Goodman and Amana, and also 2-stage equipment for Goodman and Amana. So if you click on Comfort Bridge, this will give you a good idea of some of the technology. This is something that we've been working with our contractors with to make sure that they're knowledgeable when talking to the homeowner about Comfort Bridge technology. This technology allows you to have high-end systems. So let's say 2-stage equipment, or even dual fuel equipment setups with a furnace and a heat pump. But we're still able to control that with just a single stage thermostat. So a lot of times customers may have gone online and bought a Nest, and then you go out to the house and you want to sell them a high-end system. And a lot of manufacturers require you to have a proprietary control to use that system. With Comfort Bridge, we've eliminated that. So we allow the customer to use whatever thermostat they like and still don't miss out on benefits of high-end equipment. So there's information here on Comfort Bridge as well. You'll see the advertising link, brochures, door hangers, postcards, print ads, whatever you may like. You'll have templates here to use, so you can use this for your marketing efforts as well. You'll see the application. So this is specific data on to help find the right application for whatever it is you're trying to sell. And then installation as well. Any kind of installation manual you can find here. So this is great for install managers and, of course, service managers as well. If you look up on the top left, you'll see Info Finder. This is a great way to look up products, parts, any kind of literature. So say, for instance, a homeowner may want literature. So you'll hit that, and we'll go ahead in here and we'll just hit GSX16, and you'll see it auto-populates as well, which is really nice. Let's go ahead to the GSX16 3-ton. We'll hit search. It'll show us that one result. We'll hit the plus sign. And here's all the information on this unit. Warranty, spec sheets, service manuals, parts manuals. And let's just say we want to look at the consumer brochure. Boom, there you go. So now we can show the homeowner the consumer brochure for the unit that you're about to sell them. So really a nice way to get information readily available for you. It's so easy to use. It's a free tool and just a real wealth of information. Next, what we'll do is talk about the Dealer First app, which is really all of this information readily available on an application on your mobile device. So we'll talk about that next. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what the Dealer First app looks like. So it's right here on the bottom. You'll see the second from the right. When you're searching on your Apple or Google stores, what you'll hit in is Goodman Dealer First, and you'll see this app pop up, and this is the one that you want to download. So we go ahead and we hit Dealer First. And here's the application. So we could do a quick part search. We could put in the part number. We can put in the model number of what we're looking for. Also, too, There's warranty lookups here. There's units and conversions. And then also the matchup and ratings is available here as well. We just went over that ratings on the actual website through PartnerLink. But it's also available on the Dealer First app. So if you like, we can look at like warranty lookup, for instance. So we go ahead and hit that. So what we'll do, you hit the serial number and the model number of the system that you're looking for, and then the last name of the customer. You would hit search, and then what that would do is it would pull up their warranty information. So whether it was 10-year parts, it'll also let you know if a customer has an extended labor warranty. That'll be available on this page as well. So a nice little tool for working, with your homeowners on service and your technicians going out and able to find warranty information pretty quickly. Again, this is a free app available on the Apple Store, the Google Store, and it's something that all your technicians and salespeople should have downloaded on their phones if you do sell Amana, Goodman, or Daikin. So just to recap on PartnerLink, great tool and resource for all the owners out there selling Goodman, Amana, and Daikin, also for their salespeople, installation managers, technicians, service managers, just a wealth of information on PartnerLink. We talked about the residential matchups. So if we want to find equipment with certain ratings, it makes it easy for us to do. Also from that site, we can pull submittals, get AHRI numbers, so we don't have to deal with the AHRI website. We can just get the AHRI number from PartnerLink, punch it into AHRI, and then download our certificates. Talked about Info Finder, where we can find installation manuals. We can pull consumer brochures if we want to share that type of material with our homeowners when we're in the home. We can show them that digitally. And then also the Dealer First app, which is an app that we can download to our mobile devices and have all that information readily available at our fingertips. So I hope you enjoyed this video, just a quick overview on a free resource from Goodman, Amana, and Daikin called PartnerLink. If you have any questions on it, you could always feel free to reach out to me. Thanks and have a great day.